Toxic people lose control the moment they can't predict your reactions. Silence unsettles those who survive on emotional chaos. When your reactions disappear, manipulation loses direction. The less you explain, the more they feel uncertain. Over-explaining feeds control, calm silence removes it. Not every misunderstanding deserves your energy. Calmness frustrates those who depend on emotional reactions. Peaceful responses interrupt toxic patterns. When anger disappears, their strategy collapses. Privacy protects what manipulation can't reach. The less they know, the less they can influence. Mystery removes emotional leverage. Quiet boundaries are harder to challenge. Distance communicates what arguments never can. You don't fight, you step back. Awareness makes manipulation visible. Listening more than reacting confuses toxic minds. They fear what they can't read. Self-validation removes their power. When you stop needing approval, they feel irrelevant. Confidence without announcement is intimidating. Detachment removes their strongest weapon. People act differently when they know you can leave. The ability to walk away creates silent respect. Healing changes your energy before it changes your life. Your silence isn't weakness, it's emotional mastery. When you stop reacting, toxic people feel exposed. Your emotional control turns their games against them. The calmer you become, the harder it is to manipulate you. Silence is confusing to those who only understand noise. For more deep psychology, emotional strength, and hidden truths, subscribe to Mind Secrets. Protect your peace, grow quietly, and let your energy speak.